The 2025 Tricycle Camper is redefining the way we think about compact travel. This isn't just a three-wheeled bike with a tent, it's a carefully engineered micro-camper built for solo travelers or minimalist adventurers who crave freedom without the weight and complexity of a traditional RV. At first glance, the Tricycle Camper might seem quirky, but spend a few minutes with it, and its cleverness quickly becomes apparent. The structure of the 2025 model is both lightweight and sturdy. It's built primarily from an aluminum alloy frame, ensuring durability while keeping weight low. This allows most people to pedal the unit without too much strain, though it also comes with an electric assist system powered by a lithium-ion battery. With a fully charged battery, you can expect a range of about 40 to 60 kilometers, depending on terrain and load. That makes it perfect for city exploration, short-distance touring, or even off-grid camping on smoother trails. One of the most impressive features is the camper pod itself. When parked, the rear section expands to reveal a surprisingly spacious sleeping compartment. It accommodates one adult comfortably, and there's even room for a few essential items like a backpack, cooking gear, and a compact foldable table. The design incorporates high-density foam insulation, making it usable in different weather conditions. There's a small solar panel on the roof that helps power the LED lighting inside and can trickle charge devices through a USB port. Ventilation is another highlight. Mesh windows on both sides allow for a good airflow while keeping bugs out. During colder months, an optional compact heating unit can be installed, which runs on rechargeable batteries or a tiny propane cartridge. Every inch of this camper has been optimized for space saving. Storage compartments are tucked under the bed platform and along the inner walls, ideal for storing utensils, clothes, and supplies. Safety has not been overlooked either. The trike has disc brakes on all three wheels for reliable stopping power, and a built-in rear camera that connects to a handlebar-mounted display. Visibility is also enhanced with integrated LED turn signals, brake lights, and a bright front headlamp. While this camper isn't for everyone, it's a fantastic alternative for those who prioritize sustainability, minimalism, and independence. It doesn't require fuel, doesn't need a parking permit, and offers the rare ability to camp almost anywhere a bicycle can go. The 2025 Tricycle Camper isn't just transportation, it's a philosophy on wheels. For solo adventurers or urban nomads, this may well be the future of travel.